Alright guys, so we're installing the door latch to keep the door open when we're at the beach so it won't keep closing. And then we still have the chain for at nighttime. The door won't come all the way open. It'll stop. So I just want to chime in right here and talk about what gave me the tiny home idea. I had seen this on YouTube and a lot of people converting to tiny homes and going small and minimalistic to have less of a impact on the environment and also to save money and different things like that. So I want to practice now going minimalistic so that when I'm older, I can kind of really downsize, save money, and retire in peace without having to spend a lot of money. So this is a great idea, although we're going to be using this to go camping and, different adventures like that. But I think this is a really great idea for going minimalistic, having a small impact on the environment, and just being a well-rounded person. Since I've become older, I've become more of a person that likes to tune in to the environment. I like to be out in nature. I like to be in the ocean. I like to ground, place my foot in the grass and the dirt, and connect to earth, because when you do that, you can neutralize and balance your auric energy field, and it's just a great thing to do. Also, I'm a creative person, and this was a creative project of love. And I'm just excited that this thing came from in my mind to fruition. And I was going to go to RV route. Y'all hear Caleb in the background. But anyway, I was going to go to RV route. But I'm actually glad that I went the tiny home route. It's less expensive. Doesn't require much. Thank you. Keep watching. And we converted this one because we were just trying to go, camping. Okay. But not be in a tent.
Yeah.
Something more safe.
Okay. Well, you guys are doing it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's awesome. I mean, again, a lot of people don't go on and actually do it, I was actually trying to buy a trailer before this whole marking
COVID and everything.
The housing thing happened.
Yeah. But you know what? Go on Marketplace or Facebook, because see, you already know, like, you got the skills to do everything, so you don't have to hire nobody for nothing. If you go on Marketplace, you could probably get a trailer for like $3,000.
Yeah.
And then the flooring we got from Family Dollar, peel and stick.
From where?
Family Dollar, peel and stick. Yeah. Family Dollar sells the flooring. You just peel and stick. And my husband already had all the furniture, so we just stuck it in there. And then the electrical boxes, everybody was like, oh, we can put one here for you, and generator and all that. And then I was like, no, let me hold this door for you. I was like, gas prices are up to almost $5 a gallon. Let me just get one that you can charge in the house. I bought two, one for backup. Because we're never going to be gone more than 1 or 2 days.
Yeah. And
then if we're gone longer than that, you could take the box.
Charge it, yeah.
Charge it and be back again,
That's crazy. That's honestly truly awesome. I really respect that a lot.
I be watching all these videos on YouTube of people going tiny.
Oh yeah?
So they can save money, because in California it's crazy. So a lot of people in California turning trucks, everything.
I'm from California.
Okay.
So I completely understand
so
that.
A lot of people over there turning everything into like homes. And with this, you can live completely off the grid and save on rent or whatever, or rent it out. Yeah, that little spot right there. So the door latch is installed right here. All right, guys, so we're putting the electrical connect in so that if we're at an RV park, we can plug in, or if we're here at the house, we can plug in over here. Plug in right there and charge up our electrical generators, or just run electricity to the unit and only use the generators for backup. Hold on, let me just film this. Oh, it's strapped to the wall. You might have to unstrap it if you need to get back there. All right, guys, so yeah, we have the power sources hooked up that if we want to park at an RV, we can. Here's a, sorry about that. Here's a backup battery for power. It runs this fridge, this tiny fridge. Okay, tiny fridge. I gotta put up all this stuff. The pantry. Okay, so let me put this cord up. Extension cord. It's so nice and windy out here, guys. I'm gonna store this extra extension cord right here. Right there. I'll tuck it in more later. My meditation candle. Got that. This is gonna go to the trash. This is actually the cord outlet that we installed. How's it? Water? My main battery pack here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm at 95% power. It'll take me 10 minutes to get to 100%. Back here is where he drilled the hole. I just put the wood back in. And because the cords are coming through now. It's waterproof. My neighbor's umbrella. So this is where you can plug into an RV park or whatever. I can unplug this. That's what it looks like. This seals off. That seals off like that when you're not using it. Waterproof. Plug it back in, run power to the unit. So guys, this is the latch that holds the door open when I want to let fresh air in, keeps it from moving. Let's unhook it now because I'm about to close the door. Boom. Put that up like that. And voila. And this chain keeps it from flying open and hitting the trailer. I'm gonna put this chain back. And then when I want to use the latch, I'll use the latch. Let me see if I can get this off. I might have to do this off camera. And there, I have it connected back. So when I don't want it to open too wide and hit the trailer, I just latch that. It keeps it from swinging all the way open. But when I want it latched open, then I just use that other latch. They got a microwave I saw in Walmart that will fit right up here as well. I'm gonna go get that. So that's pretty much it. All right, so we have everything. Yeah, I need you to go to Walmart. Remember those little, yeah, remember those tiny microwaves we saw? And I said, ooh, that'll fit. If you can find a black one or a gray one in there and get it for me while you're going, that'll be great. So, cause now we got power, it'll fit. So. All right, guys, so I know every time I pick up this camera, I'm literally filming what looks like to be the same thing, but I'm not. So my husband, when he gets back in town, we're gonna have him hang, you see that little screw there? He's gonna hang this fire extinguisher here for fire safety, or somewhere here. I'm gonna put that there. That's a task for my husband when he gets home. So I have like I told y'all, my backup power box, and this is a fan as well. Sorry about that, my alarm went off. This is a tiny fridge, you know, cool your drinks. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Give me a second. There. You see how lightweight it is? Anyway, like I said, it's lightweight. Tiny fridge. Over here I have some other stuff that I can store, like a small pantry area. As I said, I like to meditate. So this is my meditation area. Candle. I can pull this out, work on a laptop or whatever. Do some readings, people, different stuff like that. I'm going to show you what I did here recently. We're going to come to the back. I purchased a microwave so that we can run the microwave. Small retro microwave from Walmart. I got all my power hookups and connectors here. Water storage here. The AC unit is there. It pulls out and I can, you know, cool the trailer when everything is closed off. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much done. I just gotta let my husband hang the fire extinguisher, because a girl love her candles, and also just an extra precaution for fire safety, because I built a property before, a commercial property actually, when I was in Clewiston, when my kids were small and newborns, and so even though we're off the grid, I still want to protect my investment. So I'm gonna put everything in here that I need as far as safety things, and then that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna take these boxes out of here. Something to hold my towels. I don't know what that is. Good vibes only. That door is closed. I didn't pin it. You guys know I just had somebody come out and fix everything today. But yeah, this is the view. This view is also always so relaxing. That's the view. Right now this is parked in my backyard. That cord there is what you see. It gives power to the tiny home, so that if when we're camping, we go to an RV park, we can just plug in. And then when we're not camping and we're totally and completely off grid, power bank here. And like I was telling you guys, power bank here, that allows us to be totally and completely off grid. Here's a tent my son and I put up yesterday from Walmart. My son made a little small porch for when the tiny home is parked here, and we're not, you know, vacationing or what have you. But as soon as summer come and school get out, we gone. We are gone. And yeah, so I invested in this for camping, or what I like to call it glamping, because I am not going to be in a tent. I don't feel tents are safe. But for all those diehard campers and those people that are used to the outdoors, you know, I could get it. But I can't see sleeping all night in a tent and being comfortable. But in here, I would probably be a little bit more comfortable from like bears and things like that. Yeah, but this is my DIY project. Like I told y'all, this bed pulls out. I'm not going to pull it out today. I did in 2 videos ago. But the bottom bunk is a bunk bed. The bottom bunk pulls out. Sorry about that. Another alarm went off. It's almost time for Caleb to get home. But the bottom bunk pulls out. It's on wheels. So it sleeps 2 on the bottom bunk, up to 2 on the top bunk. And then the top bunk, we can use it as a couch to watch TV. This TV can move out, and we can turn that back, gosh, what do they call it? Slant ramp. There you go. That back ramp, we can turn into a back porch for extended living outdoor, and then just put the TV, you know, facing that way. So I'm proud of myself. I know, again, if there's questions about why we didn't paint the wall, I like the exposed wood, but also I was doing some research, and they said that people who painted walls inside of small areas like this, and I live in Florida, when it gets hot, the heat releases chemicals and fumes and stuff that can be dangerous. So that's why I'm leaving it exposed. Plus I like it. If I do paint it, it'll probably be like a gloss over the wood, because I like the wood look. Thank you for watching. All right, so I got everything done that I needed to get done and wanted to get done today. Now my feet are hurting because I've been on my feet all day, and I'm gonna go to the nail shop, treat myself to a pedicure. Hopefully they're still open. It's just 5 o'clock, so let me hurry. Catch up with you guys later. So me and my son are hanging the fire extinguisher. Like I was telling y'all, for safety in the tiny house. And then we're gonna put some porch lights on as well. You got light?
Yeah.
You gotta put pressure while you turn.
Mm-hmm.
Something's on. Is it the microwave? Did I give you one too long ago? It's going in. It's going in.
I think it's good, man.
All right. Now, this should hang on here. Was it this way? It had to be this way. Boom.
Just leave it like that.
There we go. Fire safety. Woohoo!
Where did you put this
So
one?
I wanted to come out here at night and check out this keyhole light that I put, just to make sure. There you go, it's bright. So that way you can see at night when you're trying to open with your keys or step down. Okay, looks nice. All right, guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I had a long day. As you can see, I've been working on a tiny house, busy with the kids, had to get my feet done. I'm about to take these nails off and do my nails in the same color as my toes. Thank you for joining this vlog. Watch, share, subscribe. No. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.